Hello guys, this is Shubhadeep. Welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial we will see a very important Power Query concept. So here you can see this is our sales data table, and here I have order ID, order date time, ship date time, product name and sales amount. So what we need to see from order date to ship date how much hours it took to ship for each and every order ID. So you can see order date time and ship date time are in date time function. So what we will do, we will select first ship date time, then order date time, then go to add column, then come to time, then subtract. So here you can see subtraction, new column called subtraction created. So you have to keep in mind that you have to first select ship date then order date time, because ship date time is bigger date. Okay, so it will subtract from ship date to order date. Now I will drag this to here. Okay, now what I will do, I will select this subtraction column, then go to again to add column, then duration, click on duration, then total hours, click on total hours. So here you can see total hours column is created. Drag it to here. Here you can see ship date time, uh, order date time, ship date time, subtraction and total hours is here. Okay, now the same thing we can do with Power Query, sorry, M query. So what I'll do, I am already in add column function, add column tab, then I'll go to custom column. I can give a name like total hours. Okay, total hours. Then I will use a function called duration. So duration dot total hours first one. Okay, duration dot total hours. It takes two parameters. First will be ship date. Okay, ship date time. Subtract it with order date time. Okay, click on OK. Here you can see total hours. Same result came. I will drag it here. So you can see. So like this, we can get we can act as we can get how much hours it took to shipment. Okay, so this is important in Power Query. So I think this video was useful. If you like my channel, please subscribe it, share it among your friends. Thank you guys. Thank you.